We stuck in traffic. And this is just part of what we gotta do just to get to work. Millions of Americans gotta go out there, get to work, be stuck in traffic. You don't get paid until you make it to your actual job, unless you're a truck driver, Uber driver, or whatever the case may be. But over here, Rozzy Grows YouTube channel, we got things for you that could make you earn while you travel. You'll be making this, passive income as you, so to speak, stay in traffic. So right now, we got the dash cam right there. That currently shut off. So I gotta maybe get a new cable. But even though we're still stuck in traffic, we earning crypto rewards. We're making this passive income. That's it, guys. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Rozzy Grows.